In this video, I'm going to show you how to make sure your motion detection settings are set correctly on your OSI Wi-Fi Video Doorbell AC wired. Select the three dots at the top right. Select Detection Alarm Setting. Make sure that the motion detection alarm is enabled. This means that when motion is detected, you will get a notification to your phone. Underneath that, you will see Alarm Sensitivity Level. If you feel it's detecting too much and possibly setting false alarms, please select Low. For now, Medium is usually a good default setting. Underneath that is Activity Area. The activity area is the specific part of the camera's view that is scanned for movement. Enable this setting if you only wish to have a specific area scanned for movement. If you want the entire camera view scanned for movement, then do not enable this setting. Click on Surveillance Area Setting. If you've enabled the activity area setting above, then you'll need to create one area or more if you wish. You can set 4 different areas, each indicated by a different colored box: red, yellow, green, and purple. Whatever is in the box is the area which the doorbell camera will monitor for motion. This is great if you have a sidewalk with many people walking by and don't want to be notified every time someone walks in front of your house. You can create a box and highlight just the area you want to monitor, such as the driveway and porch area, for example. Everywhere outside the box will not activate the motion detector. If there are many areas you wish to highlight, press the plus symbol at the bottom beside Area 1 and draw out a new box. Again, you could create 4 different areas. Once you're done, press Save. Below the surveillance area is the human body filtering setting. Enable this if you want to reduce false alarms by filtering out non-human movements such as animals, shadows, or moving objects like trees and vehicles. This concludes the motion detection settings tutorial for the OSI Wi-Fi Video Doorbell AC wired.